Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another unboxing video, and I'm so excited to share this one with you guys because it's gonna solve a lot of problems. So without much further ado, let me tell you what it is and why I'm super excited to share this with you guys. So there's a brand called Elegear and I got their Arc-chill cooling blanket. Why? Well, Tanya and I have very different body temperatures. I'm warm-blooded, she's cold-blooded, and we were looking for something that can keep our temperatures at, you know, like a cooling blanket, because summers are just around the corner and I found a perfect thing. This thing has like 17,000 reviews on Amazon, so you definitely want to check this out. It's a cooling blanket with some kind of Qmax technology, which is a Japanese technology. It reduces your body temperature by up to 2 to 5 degrees. So it absorbs heat from your body and it keeps your body cool. And it's double-sided, so that's a pro. And you can do a gentle washing for this up to 30 degrees Celsius. Anyways, so let's unbox this and see how this blanket actually is, because I haven't seen it. I was just super excited to find this. Wow, look at this. If you're wondering about the material and stuff for this blanket, it's 80% nylon and 20% polyester, and the back of the blanket is 100% cotton. Like I said, this blanket reduces sweat. It kind of takes away the heat from the body, and you wake up really fresh. If you're anything like me, you're gonna probably love this blanket. Let's pack this. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, it is cool to touch. It is super big. There are different sizes, so you can obviously get the size that you want. I got the big size, and to be honest, I'm not gonna lie, this is how it is. You can see. And then this is this side. It's double-sided. It's super soft. It's super cool to touch. Like when you're touching it, you can feel that it is gonna take heat from your body, and the material is super soft, super soft. Like I said, the blanket is available in a lot of sizes, so you can obviously get the one that you want, and I am super excited to like try this overnight. Like I said, Diana and I have very different body temperatures, so we were trying to find something like this, and with summers around the corner, I think I'm gonna thoroughly enjoy this blanket. So anyways, all the other details with the links and everything will be in the description box, so do check it out, and let me know in comments how did you like your blanket if you got one. I'm gonna see you in our next unboxing video. Until then, stay cool. Bye.